Okay, to show you just the magic circle. So your starting thread, you're going to wrap your working thread around in a circle and lay it on top of your starting thread like that. Then you're going to work single crochet over these two threads. Okay, once you've done as many as your pattern requires, take your starting end and then you just gently pull. Take up all the excess and then you'll see your stitches then come to lie next to each other. Then depending on the pattern, but usually you would close your magic circle with a slip stitch through your starting chain. And then you chain one and start your rounds.